There is a large assortment of tools and techniques used within Lean and Six Sigma, and each one of these serves a specific purpose. Most of these tools are geared towards use in the manufacturing industry because both Lean and Six Sigma were developed for use within that industry. Today, we have expanded those tools to encompass other industries, including service, government, and agriculture. It is through the understanding and use of these tools that we are able to reduce defects and increase the quality of our end products. In Six Sigma, our goal is to reduce defects, and in Lean, it is to remove waste from the process. In order to do this effectively, a series of tools have been developed over the years to streamline the process. These tools focus on identifying and solving issues related to defects and wasteful activities. Every day we benefit from these tools when we go shopping, pay bills, and even when we simply drive down the road. The Lean and Six Sigma tool bags provide us with the tools and techniques to make any process or task easier and more efficient. Value stream mapping is one of the most efficient and effective means of identifying wasteful activities in any organization or process, and is in many ways one of the first tools we will use in an initiative. It is a visual tool that shows the flow through an organization or process, and it helps us to identify redundancy and any bottlenecks that, if resolved, would equal quick and easy wins for a first project. The value stream map itself is, in all simplicity, a flowchart with a few extra symbols. They include information on manpower and cycle time. In Lean, we generally make two value stream maps, one which shows us the current state, and then another which shows the futuristic, the goal, or the perfect state. Cross-functional teams often function as self-directed teams, assigned to a specific task which calls for the input and expertise of a number of departments. Typically, it includes employees from all levels of an organization. Members may also come from outside the organization, but each member offers an alternative perspective to the problem and a potential solution to the task at hand. Cross-functional teams are successful because they promote innovation through creative collaboration. Part of reducing waste is reducing motion, and that requires everything and everyone to be as close to the actual place the work is being done as physically possible. The term Gemba literally means the actual place. In lean manufacturing, Gemba is the place where problems are most visible and where improvement ideas should initiate. In quality management, Gemba literally means the production floor and asserts that when a problem occurs, the only way to solve that problem is to go right to the source to gather data and develop solutions. We should take a step back from the day-to-day operations and take a Gemba walk in order to identify wasteful activities. When it comes to Six Sigma, DMAC is the de facto framework used. But when it comes to Lean, it is often said that Kaizen is the core framework. Kaizen, which means a change for the better, is a 6-step process that starts with the discovery of a potential improvement. From there, we analyze the current method to determine the root cause, so we can then generate ideas to resolve the identified issue. Next, we develop a plan before finally implementing that plan. The process is concluded by evaluating that change to determine if it is viable long term. There are several different ways to conduct a Kaizen initiative, but all Kaizen initiatives have one thing in common. They are short in duration, with most taking 5 days or less to complete. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle was first envisioned by Dr. Shewhart in the 1920s and popularized by Dr. Deming in the late 1950s. This 4-step management method is commonly used for the control and continuous improvement of both products and services. We start the process by first recognizing an opportunity within a process and planning a change to that process. Next, we carry out a small-scale study where we test that change to determine if it is viable. As always, we need to review or check the results of that change. We need to analyze and determine the viability of that change. Finally, we take action. If the change was not viable, then we start the cycle over with a new plan, with a new change. But if the change is viable, then we implement the change and look for new opportunities for improvement. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.